Hello, today we'll have another trade review. Today I've made 550 across my free accounts. I'll just show the P&L here. As you can see, I got 178 on two funded accounts, and then here on the evaluations I've got like double that. And then here on my funded futures one as well, 178. If you were watching the previous trade reviews, you noticed I usually risk between 300 and 350, and I was planning to today. The problem is, for some fucking reason, TradingView decided to change my default setting into the long position and put lot size at 2. And then basically when I entered it, it told me to risk half based off the tool. I usually use this tool to determine how much I need to risk. And I got fucked up by that. Yeah, it should have been a $1,000 P&L today, and I would have been able to take another payout, but no, fucking TradingView sabotaging me. But well, it's whatever, profit is profit. Yeah, even if it's like it's actually nothing in profit. Profit is profit, we'll take it. Anyways, from the big news, I switched to only doing longs for the all-time highs area, like until we will drop aggressively like 3 to 5%. I might start looking for shorts, but for now I'm only looking for longs. I'm having no bias but long, so it means I'm not checking the 4-hour. And on the hourly, I'm just setting targets. And if I don't have targets, I just target 1.5 risk reward. So this was the trade I entered on. We had this gap close right here. Then on the 1 minute, we had this first high, this next high. Once we closed above it here aggressively, I entered on that. And targeted 1.5 pretty much. It looks a bit like less here, but that's because I got a worse fill, but it was 1.5 across all my accounts, I would think. I put stop loss at this low, at the low of the candle that closed in, and pretty much ran to take profit. Around here, I just already noticed that like my position size was wrong, so a bit depressed about it, but whatever, I'll make more money. If I'm on the path to becoming a profitable trader one day, it's not gonna make a huge difference. Yeah, anyways, got a quick take profit. After that, market just chopped, pretty much was very ranging, this whole range. And yeah, I'm not trading tomorrow and Wednesday as well because of CPI and PPI, so I'll only be trading Thursday and Friday. So hopefully we get at least one more win this whole week. I'm expecting tomorrow CPI to be bearish, but well, we'll see. Anyways, that's it for today's trade review.